Hello tubes. Well, the local garbage truck crossing this road, but the small roads here are blocked off to prevent people from using them. And normally they're locked, or with a special thingy, special tool, you can lift them, but something is not right here. No. We have to use another way. Well, this is our local garbage truck. HMS, Haagse Milieuservice. Uh-oh, step on the gas. Oh, something you can do, but an expert. A bit of force, a bit of power, bigger hammer. Kenny would say, use a bigger hammer, boy. Yeah, somebody probably touched it already with a truck to try to get it out. Oh, there it is. Yeah, they're happy. Ooh, nice piece of scrap. Cast iron. Yeah, here we go. Don't worry. Watch ups. Just a short vid. Things that happen in a big city like The Hague. Ooh, don't scratch the thingies. Oh yeah, it fits. It fits alright. Well, see you in the next vid. Ooh, wibbly wobbly here. See you in the next vid. Bye bye.